ibhola lethu ibhola lama-hotman nama-sister kahle kahle bayangikhuza abathi kahle kahle ibhola lamakhosi leli so mfana riding, if Umako is gonna be your favorite player, it speaks something to riding in defense yakho. And into ngiyijumpile manje angazi clean sheet yesingakhi lena. Why is Umako your favorite player before siya nje game inafanda?
Ola buddy.
Yeah, sure.
Sibulisa abafethu ekhaya.
Yeah.
Bulisa usikala ingayi. Ngiyazi ukuthi into ezibhayo avumelani nawo. Mara ke we move.
All right.
Pick up Rwam Umako mfethu is cool, calm and collected. Number 1, dokuqala ngaye. Ngithola. Umako into engincanyana ngaye, ile defender elikwazi ukuthi atake eliphinde libuye. You understand? Instead ukuthi manje uthola ukuthi manje uyenzani khona lesima attack esinawo ukuthi manje as a defender, as a cross unakwazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi avaye, taking nothing away from a cross, by the way. Yeah. Cross can go, but sometimes ubuya kamhlula. You understand? Okay. Sometimes ubuya kamhlula. And then right now to answer a question you didn't ask, bro, because ngiyabona isikhathi sincane.
Yeah.
I'm happy with you, Flavio.
Okay.
Good first touch.
Yeah.
That's into sifunayo ku striker lento ayenzile.
Yeah.
You understand?
But when him criticize off season.
I'm criticize.
Okay. You were not.
Mina ngibukela wonke ama game we Chiefs off season.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
And I saw what they were of a striker. You understand? And then another thing I can say ukuthi uModi bro uyascore.
Okay.
uModi uyascore. uModi mfethu is uModi kumele kube ngumuntu esiwina ngayo game. uModi uhleza nama chance, uModi uhleza yi-1. But this is making uModi as cost. For me, I cannot wait for Uvelebai ukuthi afike adlala asibone ukuthi uphetheni, understand. And then another thing sidinga attacking midfielder who is very reliable, because right now if you can check asinayo reliable midfielder attacker, you understand. So we cannot say okay mina for me bengizothi assign uMayema sifale incwadi. But I cannot say that because asikawaboni wonke ama players no Chislett.
Okay.
Ongadlala. Of which I believe in him a lot. You understand? But I believe ukuthi maybe now he's got something else to offer, you understand? But for me personally, so ukuthi ngimuvile kumzuzu ngiyabona ngimuvile. But I would say let's sign uRiding. Simsanile uMabuye, it's a good signing. A very good signing, and I know he's gonna add a lot. Mina ngithi signing uMayema sivale incwadi because uMayema vele fede angithi uyilento esiyifunayo free agent.
Sure. Ay mfana ngiyalizwa ikhosi li convinced but alikho convinced lisakhala uyibone kanjani wena mfana kithi?
Mfethu ama views angeke sifane yabo.
Yeah.
Igame angeke sibone ngokufana. Khona ama point awabekile vela right and nami ngiyabona ukuthi okay vele beka ama point right. Flavio excellent, first touch ukwazile ukukora. Ukhale ngobani?
Vele I know
Modi.
Ukhale ngoModi. I mean uModi udlale according to his strength sakhe. I cannot to blame uModi because uModi uyakwazi i1v1 uyakwazi ukuthatha abantu. Uyakwazi ukuminus uModi ne. But manje into esingayikhalela kuye maybe ke makathathe i1v1 final touch yakhe ukuthi iyava. But at the end of the day but uModi i1v1 mina ngikhumbule any player eke yamaka ku1v1 if ever ikhona iplayer eke yamaka 1v1 mina ngathanda ukuyibona because manje because uModi all the time u1v1 hlezi adlula. Then mina into ngithandile for Vandag igame yaVandag all the time hlezi ngisho ukuthi i-scheme sa-second half sihlezi sisunele igame and amajita nama-supporter most of the time sihlezi sikhala ngokuthi okay manje unabi udlisa i-Chiefs unabi hey why ungisinganiki those guys baspana bonke yonke into bayenza bebonke. Vandag it proved ukuthi lento besiyisho all along ukuthi unabi akaspana i1 baspana as a technical team bebonke, so ukuspana bonke bekanje iyabaspanela because manje bakwazi ukuthi Vandag siwinile. Vandag angazi ukuthi sokhuluma sithini so sizokhuluma sithi unabi yasilisa ngoba nangu unabi ukhona. First game si drawile, second game sa winner unabi ekhona, meaning uthole 4 points. Okay, those guys got 9 points. Yeah, I think it's 9 points.
Yeah,
of which they are a technical team. They are yonke into like bayakhuluma bayashare ama-ideas ukuthi okay mfethu ithi sifake bani kule game sidinga bani kule game okay sidlala igame eso sidlala against i-team eso le team le idlala kanjani okay this team iyakwazi ukusi-attack mayikwazi ukusi-attack asithole umuntu obakhama umthethwa ubuyile kumagame wonke mina since ngimbukela umthetho
ngikubamba umlomo khosi
since
ngikubamba umlomo
okay ufuna okay sure
ngikubamba umlomo khosi I know you mean well ne but mina I'm familiar with this game again kana you understand what I'm trying to say mangithi Pulumodi yasikhosta ngiyabona ukuthi umkhulumela uPulumodi I don't think ukuthi it is all right ukuthi sifake uPulumodi in the same game la khona umthetho you understand because right now if you can check iBhola likaNabi in fact relies on a counter attack of which is 3 players who are quick in front you understand so if we're going to have one player who's playing a wing play and then who's going to play the ball backwards then it defeats a purpose yethu you understand because from umthetho going back to defend that's why we have wonke la clean sheets now you understand and then umthetho if you can check is playing negative passing. And with him playing negative passes, which means a shot that will be immediately, Umthetho doesn't play any forward ball. So if Umodi now as a winger is gonna always people will be able to move, then it's a shot. So sitting a player as a players was good to strike us to corner, but contemplate in the same direction.
To have that player in mind.
That player in mind. I think personally, Chiefs must just instill discipline. As much as it's old, as much as it's big-headed or whatever, manage. We can eat a lot with that guy, and they can play that position in the mode. You understand? Yeah. And then Shabalala is doing very well. I'm very proud of him. Yeah. I think it's the first season for me or second season when he's raising his hand and so on. Yeah. Not taking away from anything that you have said, my brother. You can continue.
Yeah. Before you continue talk, there's a goal that we saw on the first half. Abanyabati offside, but there's no way that's an offside. What happened there?
For me, and then our rules of football, ne?
Yeah.
And offside, if ever Dupreez bega pass umdu, that should have been an offside. Yeah. But manje umdu akapaswanga. That was a deflection.
Yeah.
Meaning ngogo Victor Hlongwane.
Yeah.
Victor Hlongwane uthini mathi asisasekanga. That was not saseking. Yeah. That one it's a goal, straight goal. Meaning we have won the game 2-0.
Yeah.
For me now.
Yeah.
Angazi ke Monday bazothini, but mina for mina nje I can't say ukuthi that was an offside or deflection. Akekho noyi-one ophase umdu. Umdu usitholele ibhola ezihambela thola deflection wathola ibhola wasifaka netini.
So kahle score u2-0 according to Uskara.
Yeah, I'm according to mina vele it's 2-0.
Mfana i-riding i-Chiefs ayibona yawina i-Gautrain yagejima. So in terms of i-league.
Okay.
Is it too soon? Or manje ungabathemba abafana babo ukuthi no, they're contending or kusase early? What's your thoughts?
Hey, bro. In terms of league, I think it's very early to decide of league. We only played 5 games. Yeah, and
are you convinced ngale 5 games and how do you see play? My question was how do you see play?
I'm neutral. Play 5 games I'm very neutral. There's positive outcomes, there's negative outcomes. And then what I can say, the positive outcomes, we are keeping clean sheets. If you can check from the game today, you can't to that's very positive, and I'm very happy with that. Given go to positive, Peterson in fact it's been very slow. You understand? But that's a positive to take. You understand? But what I would love me now, I don't know, maybe technical team, be all of them. They are focused a lot on it defending or a defensive middle field going back because they've been doing a good job. You understand? But we're not seeing anything going forward. You understand? Yes, we are winning. Yes, we are scoring a goal. You understand?
Slender win,
bro. So I would love to see Kaizer Chiefs in fact to win a 4-0. before idabi besiparate sabo
Hence
at this moment
ngeplay ye-Chiefs, are you happy ngeplay ye-Chiefs ukuthi nje
mfethu
as a team bamnandi?
I think okay, personally, going to back to the umbuzo league, I don't think the Chiefs it's in a position to compete for the league at the moment. You understand?
Ibambe kanjani? Skara, are you sharing the same thoughts?
I'm happy nje.
Uthi lo muntu noma akusi team engawini league then. Yes, bayawina but they don't convince it. Uyibona kanjani wena?
Bro wami, mina I'm happy. All the time so far ne sina ngama player wa second half. Imagine masingawina ngama player wa first half. So we close the game in 45 minutes. Second half sesiqedile, we know what we're doing. So meaning okay, according to strategy lesa badlala ngaso ne kuyenzeka ukuthi okay, first half we've tried to score, we didn't score, but they didn't score. So what's the way forward? Our way forward ukuthi let's try to get the goal. If they didn't get the goal, let them not score against Tina, of which into eyenzekile for the past 5 games. So for me now, we're competing for the league because manje asikaze sakorwa for the past 5 games, and the Cedric is one of the best when it comes to it defending, clean sheet and stuff, and credit to goalkeeper coach ubani ngiyamkhohle igama
but sekazenza iplayer loyo bathi ukhuluma lapha ebenchini ngathi i-team yakhe leyo.
They are a technical team of which into abayikhuluma bonke, of which naye uzoguide abantu abatrainayo omunye nomunye vele phela abona kule technical team kaNabi. I think kunomuntu otrainer ama defender, kunomuntu otrainer abo goalkeeper, kunomuntu otrainer ama midfielder, kunomuntu otrainer ama striker. That is why we-5. Mara ngeke ngazi ukuthi ubani utrainer bani ubani, but one thing I know ukuthi uCedric ubusiness defender, one let this goalkeeper coach.
I forgot his name, but
yeah, Unchebe. Ever smiling guy. Yabona there was a time atshela besilana game Sundowns. Atshela Direng uPeterson ukuthi ntwana stay calm. Relax, do your thing. So for now we competing for the league. And imagine kukhulu kuyeza. So far 5 games we didn't concede a goal, and we've got 4 wins, 1 draw. And the last season was Stuart Baxter, I think it was 2015 or Stuart Baxter started. Same thing yenzeka with Chiefs. Ukuthi manje siqala first 3 games si win. Going forward yakama the confidence. So it's the very same thing as yenzeka this season. Because manje ama coach, they are not harsh towards our players, like keep calm, do your thing, as long as benga score. What we need, it's a draw, our lose. It's a draw.
Sure.
Then our win, regardless what is winner 1-0 or in, we've got our chances more than Golden Arrows. And the Golden Arrows had their chances. Of which those chances, if they were scoring, we have been under pressure. But man, they didn't score, of which we've kept the calm into. But man, going forward, I think Wonkama team, they know good. Okay, how do we score against the Kaizer Chiefs? How do we make it to good? Okay, let's go against this team before the second half. If I was scoring in the first half, I'm done thinking.
Talking about scoring, mfana, ngithema siqala le video you spoke about uFlavio. Beautiful goal that Flavio scored. Bengikhuluma noThulane last washo ukuthi uDuba must learn from the bench. Are you thinking ukuthi Flavio is your guy ukuthi azogama goal for the season?
Bro, again commenting from Flavio. First I must give credit to the coach for introducing Flavio. I see coach in Flavio umbeke benchini ugame Sundowns, of which bekafuna ukuzabe under pressure, because the pressure, according to me, it was too much for a first time player, of which maybe something could have happened. You understand? Maybe we cannot take that away from him. But I think with coaching management and mentoring Unabi has done a very good job with him and introducing him kule game le kanje, and then look, he scored a winning goal. You understand? Which means now confidence is high, and which means now if we can face Pirates, Sundowns, or any team, he can come and give us 100% game. You understand? So he's very good, because considering the fact that in the last 5 games, this is what how many strikers scored? Let me ask, maybe if I can conclude with no striker scored.
No. Past 5 games?
Yeah.
I don't think.
Who striker scored? So I think it's the first.
It's the midfielders who scored.
So I think it's the first.
Most, yeah, it's the midfielders.
So considering the fact that he's the first striker to score, this is a positive on its own.
You're raising a point as being enough.
And it's his first game, ne?
Yeah, it's his first
Bear
game.
in mind, it's his first game. Professional.
So that's a positive. It's a positive.
Professional, yeah, it's his
But
first
my
game.
question is, are you willing ukuthi nibeke uDuba ebenchini niqale ngayo Flavo nibeke uDuplessis ebenchini just because he scored? Or kanye kamanje?
Mina for mina ne, the competition abayicreatayo, mina for mina i-healed.
Yeah.
Meaning whoever ongenayo will do the job. Flavio came, do the job. Duba came, did the job, but couldn't score. Of which the job is Panas Chunile. It was excellent. Flavio came, this first game, he scored. Credit to that, credit to Duba, credit to all 11 players that were there. Because who's passing those players in midfield, okay, creating chances. But manje, Flavio made it look simple for everyone. Go to, okay, how do I score? So some guys will be like, okay, why bang a flag? Why bang a flag? But the competition about creator, the coaches, the technical staff, I mean, I'm happy. They should keep it the way it is. Bang I change. Yeah, bangazunga ukuthi sothini urukwenzakalani, but they should keep it the way ingakhona, because ibaba abajima namajita. And thina at the end of the day sithola ama results siba happy, masingathola ama results we getting angry.
And mina mfethu ngokuvala bro.
Ivala.
Ngithi laba basesigodini
Abasituma kabanye.
laba basesigodini laba ngadayo emaraba start uyeza uFavio. Flavio bro amise kumkhwanazi edeshurena uyeza uFlavio.
Mara
And then nami ngithi kuyivala ntwana uFlavio bekayiwisha le game lesilale nabo draw. Like uFlavio was like, okay, was looking at the coach straight emehlweni, like I want this game. But the coach, yesandawana, like ebekayifuna le game mfethu, but we like ucoach mfethu yabona mina uNabi
the first game yakhe ebenchini ne.
Yeah, first game yakhe ebenchini. And uNabi ungichazela intoni yabona iCamness kaNabi, like okay, ithi ngimshilde, ngimenzele into right ukuthi naye be sharp, because if ever bekamfakile maybe bengaba under pressure, maybe engangakora skwinisa. But manje iCamness kaNabi, because Nabi would have seen ukuthi uyabona ukuthi this guy wants to play, because all the time makubizwa isub umbheka straight emehlweni. Like uNabi was like, okay, I think zami ukuthi kungabi ne eye contact. And I mean I was so happy ukuthi iCamness yakhe wamtshela ukuthi after the game futhi uze wakhuluma ukuthi no, Flavio wanted the game or akakhulumanga angazi yini, but you could have seen ukuthi uNabi wanted Flavio wanted this game, like because nathi since sibukele stadium we could see ukuthi Flavio was like mfethu man, this position of could have scored this goal, this of which namhlanje sibonisile ne. But taking nothing away from those players that were playing there ne, uNabi is the best player and usezosibonisa okukhulu.
No, Unabi is a coach.
Flavio, mistake the great player ne, shothi kusesekhulu azosibonisa kona. And uNabi vele is a great coach. Obviously ne technical team yakhe sifake bani taking nothing away from itracker azifakayo.
Mina bro,
because manje wonke ama player a player according to information yama team azanayo githi. Because manje sinama video analyst wonke bayabheka ukuthi okay labantu badlala kaso, how do we approach them, sibane ngendlela siba approach ngayo. So yonke into iba right according to iplan ye technical team. I won't say ukuthi iplan kaNabi, because bonke bahlanganisa umqondo kube into right. Namhlanje uwinile uNabi ekhona, so thina kuna uNabi akunanga uNabi, i-technical team as a whole, i-team as a whole siwinile. As a supporters as a whole we are happy.
But bottom line, uyezo la Flavio uyezo iGadoro
And out and siyabona ukuthi hayi akwindanga iChiefs kuphela ne-retail store iwinile ngoba amajezi athengiwe South Africa yonkana.
Yakhuphuka.
Ibhola lomzansi labakhona banamasister. Danko.
Asizoselect.
Ayivale mfana.
Asizoselect ke nawe.
Hey, this is the longest video. Come.